Mr.
But
President,
the proper question, ganon?
Can you please rephrase your question, Congressman Gutierrez?
Mr. President, with all due respect, the question of identifying these members was to really look into the purpose, because we're trying to differentiate now those that are within the bounds of law and those that are without in relation to the drug war.
I'm sure that it within the bounds of the law. And I take full responsibility. Huwag ka na maghanap ng iba. Ano yung 7-7 mo? Dito ka na lang tutok sa akin. Ilan ko pang beses sabihin sa inyo, I take full responsibility. If you think that it is illegal or wrong, go ahead and file the case. I would be happy.
Thank
Bakit
you,
pa tayo dito mag-drama niya?
Thank you, Mr. President. I had a
Thank
few
you.
more questions, but given the time constraint, I will yield to other interpellators. Maraming salamat po, Mr.
Let's have
President.
a cup
Thank
of
you.
coffee and I will tell you everything.
Thank you. You will have another opportunity later when we finish all the list of the interpellators here. We will have our second round.
Mr. Chair, may I be recognized?
Yes, former Senator De Lima. What is this about?
May certain points po na mga binanggit ngayon sa
As long
questioning
as
ni
this is germane
Congresswoman.
to the discussion. Yes, please. You have 2
They are
minutes.
so relevant. Dun sa questioning po ni Honorable Congresswoman Luistro and Honorable Congressman Gutierrez. I think there were about 3 points and then another point. I'll try to be very brief. Okay. Kanina po, tinanong po siya ni Congressman Gutierrez, sino yung 7 na yon ng kanyang personal na death squad. Bigla ko pong naalala na si Mr. Edgar Matubato, sinabi niya po yung tungkol sa Lambada Boys because Edgar Matubato was a member of that Lambada Boys, the civilian component of the DDS. At tamang-tama, meron din po siyang binanggit na 6 na pangalan. So hindi ko po alam kung kilala po ito ng dating Pangulo, ng dating Mayor. Ang mga pangalan po, nung 6 pa, which makes it a total of 7, na kasama si Edgar Matubato, are the following: Ludi Pagidupon, Tony Estaco, Jojo Bosa, Romel Capitana, Insectan, and Boboy Maldito. A total of 7 names. So I'm wondering now, curious po ako, yun ho ba't kaya maaari sila yung 7 miyembro ng personal death squad? Now, paulit-ulit na sinasabi ng ating resource person na dating mayor at dating pangulo sa Senado at dito na naman, ilang oras na ho, yung hearing, paulit-ulit niya, I take full and complete legal and moral responsibility. Sa tingin po kaya ng dating Pangulo at dating Mayor, kapag sinasabi niyan, ang ibig ba po niyang sabihin o kaya ang kanyang paniniwala ay maaabsuelto na yung lahat na sumunod sa kanyang mga illegal orders of kill, kill, kill? Nagkakamali rin po yung mga polis kung yan din po ang iniisip nila dahil inaako na nung pinaka-mastermind yung principal by inducement na siya lang ang merong responsibilidad. Mali pong pag-iisip yun. No matter how many times, 1,000 times, nasasabihin niya ng dating Pangulo at dating Mayor na siya lang ang may responsibility, hindi pa rin pwedeng makalusot at maabsuelto yung mga gumawa, sumunod sa kanyang kill orders. Now, number 3 point, because I'm just going to raise at this point 4 points. Yung kanina po, yung tungkol dun sa personal guilt, that was in the course of the questioning of the Honorable Gutierrez. So paulit-ulit din pong sinabi ng dating mayor, ng dating pangulo, na yung pumatay mismo, yun ang may personal guilt. Totoo. Yung gunman, yung hitman, yung assassin, siya mismo ang pumatay, Siyempre, personal guilt na yan. Pero wag nating kalimutan yung sinabi po kanina ni Honorable Congresswoman Luistro. If there is such a thing or a principle ng personal guilt, meron din yung principle of conspiracy or theory. Yung dating Pangulo, dating Mayor, siya ang malinaw na principal by inducement because he ordered, he solicited, he induced yung mga pagpatay. So he is definitely principal by inducement. But sinunod ka nagkaroon ng mga principals by direct participation. And in this whole scenario, there is a clear conspiracy. And when it comes to conspiracy, the act of one is the act of all. Yung ginawa ng isa, yung gunman, ay ginawa din yung nag-udyok sa kanya, yung principal by inducement. Last point I want to say at this point. Kanina po, napansin nyo, hindi nga niya po masabi yung pangalan ko. Ayaw niya pong kilalanin kung sino yung dating Commission on Human Rights Chairperson. Sabi daw, again, nung tinatanong o dun sa mga punto ni Congresswoman Luistro, hindi niya kilala kung sino man yan, yung taga-CHR na yan. Nagtataka po ako doon. He's lying when he said that he does not know Laila de Lima. How can he say that he does not know Laila de Lima? Unang-una, nung DDS, yung hearing po namin, yung CHR inquiry sa Davao on the DDS killings, siya po, as then mayor, ang pinakauna na tinawag namin as resource person. Di ho ba? Pangalawa, naku, kayo, narinig niyo ho yun. Napakaraming mga okasyon, mga public pronouncements niya na ako ay tinitira niya, ako ay binabastos niya, kung ano-ano yung mga sinasabi niya sa akin, binabantaan din ako. You will rot in jail, Laila de Lima. And isa pang naalala ko, nakita niyo rin po siguro yun, noon pong first SONA, di ho ba? Linapitan niya ako, kinamayan pa niya ako. So hindi niya ako kilala. Alam mo yan, for example, ni former ES Salvador Medialdea, na kilalang kilala ako ng dating mayor at ng dating Pangulo. So he is lying. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Senator.
Iba na kasi ang hirdo niya kasi hindi mo kilala.
Mr. President, may I remind you that please refrain from talking unless you are recognized by the
Yes, I
chair.
was just making a statement.
Yeah,
Hindi ko siya nakilala, iba ng hirdo niya eh.
I'm just reminding the
Pati yung kulay ng
resource
buhok.
person. So, the next to interpolate is Congressman Ernix Junicio. You have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I might not take that long.